Hi, this is Chris Roshnaut24K on Twitter. Today we'll be unboxing the Hyperdrive Slim 8-in-1 USB C hub. So this is great if you have a PC or Mac that has USB Type-C. And we know there's a lot of Mac laptops out there that have one USB-C port. So this would come in handy. This gives you HDMI 4K Ultra HD output. It gives you Mini DP 4K Ultra HD. 2 times USB Type A at 5 gigabits per port. It gives you Gigabit Ethernet Usb C 100-watt charging capability and SD micro SD card slot. And this is from Hyper. So here's the actual unit itself, and it's super thin. We like the build quality on this. Metal on the outside. So this expands out to fit your full-size Ethernet port. And here are all the slots right here. And the other slots right here. So this would be easy to store in a bag with your MacBook or MacBook Pro. Anything that really has a USB Type-C port, and this is compatible with 100 watts. If you need to charge your MacBook Pro with a 100-watt charger, this will work with that as well. This is the Hyperdrive Slim 8-in-1 USB Type-C hub, and it's got metal on this side and metal on this side, so there's no plastic to come apart right there. We like this because it opens up a lot of ports that have gone away from the MacBook and the MacBook Pro, so that's why this is a good option for you. This is Chris Roshnaut24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.